Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since your girl has been on YouTube. Honestly, since the start of the summer, because the start of the summer I started working insanely and I've been, talking about it on Instagram. I've actually been very active on Instagram even though I haven't been active on YouTube. So if you want to keep up with me, honestly, Instagram is the best place to do so. And I've incorporated a lot more fitness on my Instagram too, but I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. There's so many videos that I have for you guys that I've been trying out so many new products during the summer too, but my first video back on YouTube is actually sponsored. With that being said, I do want to say a huge thank you to Merit Beauty for sending your girls some goodies. I'm just so grateful, and it's always so mind-blowing when big brands want to work, little old me. I tell you guys all the time, it's just crazy. I'm just so small here, and it's just crazy. Because I never thought I would. But if it's your first time here, I did just want to say my review videos are very honest and very real. These are my real thoughts and my real first impressions. So enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know your thoughts down below. So I like to use little to minimum to no makeup at all. I really only use clear brow gel. If I do use a tinted brow gel, it's usually like a volumizing fiber gel with a little bit of tint that just makes my eyebrows look a little bit fuller sometimes when I feel like my eyebrows are a little empty. So I'm very excited that Merit actually got to send me over a brow product. This is, oh my god, this is a Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. I did get to choose the color. I chose it in black brown, so very excited to try this out. Besides that, I just wear mascara. Usually I would get a lash lift. Currently right now I have a natural lash extensions. I've been getting them done for a month now, which is pretty crazy. I never thought I would be a lash girl. Besides that, bronzer, a very natural bronzing highlight and blush, but that's the most I've ever do. If I do wear foundation, I usually only do it underneath my eyes to my cheekbones, and then that's it. I leave the rest bare. So Merit Beauty also sent over their bronze bomb. This is a sheer bronzer. I love sheer. I love when my skin gets to peek through, so I'm very excited because I am on the hunt for a new bronzer. And I did get to pick the shade for this too. I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Sheen? I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the screen here. You guys let me know how to pronounce that, but that is the shade that I chose for myself. I believe, let me check. I believe they have, I think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they have 5 different shades in the bronze bomb. Oh, see, like right on their website right away, it says The Minimalist. I love that. Oh, The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. It's a freaking product. Oh my god. They actually have a lot of products. They have complexion, they have a cheeks, eyes, lips, their new products that are just out and sets. So if I like these and these perform very well, I'm gonna really dive into their website and start ordering more stuff, because honestly I already have high hopes. So their Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade actually has 3 different shades. Oh, I didn't even mention, oh my god, I didn't even mention, they sent me a free signature bag, like their makeup bag. It's a tote in like a nice camel color. This is so freaking cute. It literally just gives me minimalist vibes, you know what I mean? But instantly when I saw this on their website, I didn't even know I was gonna get one, but you get one for free with your first order. You get a free signature bag. Usually you have to pay for these, and this is good quality. But instantly when I think about this, I think of travel. This is gonna be my new travel makeup bag. I love it. It's so cute, and it's a good size too. When you open it, it's a really good size. You could fit a lot of products in here, so I'm so excited. This is so cute. Thank you guys so much. I'm honestly oh my god, it's embroidered. Look how cute. The quality for me. So yeah, if you order from Merit, you get a free signature bag with your first order, and you get free shipping with orders over 40 bucks. So that's pretty lit. Pretty lit. Okay, so let's go in with the first product. This is the 1980 Brow Volumizing Pomade. Again, I got this in the shade Black Brown. It also says clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, so that's a good thing to note. Oh my god, this is not what I was expecting with the packaging. Look how beautiful this is. It's such a nice, sleek gold. It says Merit in a different shade gold. Oh my god, this looks so like luxurious. Wow, I love that. This is fancy. So what makes me nervous sometimes is like it might be too dark if it's too powerful. Oh wow, I love how it doesn't go on so harsh. It feels very moussey, and immediately it's like brow strokes, like natural. Like I love how you can't tell where I place the product, and it does set the brow hairs in place. Like it's not like, oh, it's just coating my brow hairs with product. It's, you know, wherever I flick my brow hairs, that's where it's placing it. Like look at the difference. Very simple, very minimal, but you can definitely tell the difference. One looks a lot fuller than the other one. And this is what I mean. This is exactly what my makeup style is. My makeup style is just naturally enhancing, you know, my natural features, not going so overboard. So I only dipped it in the tube once, and it's like the perfect amount of product. What I love is that it's not so harsh. This is actually performing way better than I thought it was, because I had a, you know, perception of tinted brow gel because I use tinted brow gel. Usually with tinted brow gel, you have to dip it in the tube a few times, and you have to constantly use a clean brow spoolie brush to brush out the product. Otherwise it looks way too packed on and it's very harsh. This I only dipped in once, and I actually only use their, like the actual brow wand that it comes in to move the product around and place the brow hairs and brush them out. I'm so impressed. This is so nice. And the black brown shade matches my natural hair color perfectly. Usually it's like a little off. Usually it's either a little too light or like super black, and then it looks too harsh, and then I feel like I need to wear foundation, or I need to clean it up with concealer. I'm actually not even gonna touch it. This is perfect. I am shook. I just love how natural it looks. Like I could literally like just walk out like this. Like this is so cool. You can't even tell that it's brow product. Like it looks like brow hair. Usually you can only do that with a brow pencil, but this is like, oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited for the brow. I mean the bronzer. Okay, so let me get the bronze bomb out, right? I got it again in that color Cyan, Sheen, Shine. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on the screen. You guys let me know how you guys pronounce it. I have no idea how that's pronounced. But now that I'm looking at the side of the brow wand, it has like their logo at the top, and it's actually engraved. It's not like a sticker, it's not like painted, it's like engraved in the thing, which I think is so cute. But that's also the first thing I see when I am taking the bronze bomb out. I don't know, that this packaging is so luxurious. Like this is so pretty. I was not expecting that because the box is so like, you know, minimal. Like it's blue. I mean, yes, it has like the gold embroidery, but like this is so pretty, so luxurious. It's like a nice like display piece on my vanity. All right, so let's open this. Okay. Okay, it has no scent, which I really like. This kind of looks like chocolate, like milk chocolate. So you do this to swivel it out, and this is actually very easy, like very, very easy. When I apply bronzer, I do it right underneath my cheeks, and then I do it right on the side of my nose. I don't really contour my nose, and then I just do my temples, and then I don't really do my jawline. Honestly, I don't. So what I'm gonna focus on, because that's normally only where I put my bronzer, only my nose and my cheeks. So let's do that first. I'm gonna use a clean buffing brush to buff it out. Ooh, like butter. Wow. All right, so the blendability is what I'm concerned about. Wow, that blended out like nothing. All right, so was it too much? Wow, that's like buttery, like super buttery. see it. Because look, I see it. Let's see. It's so natural, like, it's so natural where I'm like, is it even on my skin? This literally looks like my skin. Oh my god, this is crazy. Where I'm like, maybe I should have gotten a darker color. Like, it's dark. When you put it on, it's super dark. And I put more here because I'm like, oh. But when you buff it out, wow, when you buff it out, it's so natural looking. Like, you saw how dark it got put on, wow. And it's just enough. Like, now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh yeah, my cheeks are definitely a little bit more defined. So natural looking. Like, it's so seamless with my skin color that, like, I'm like, do I need a darker color? But no, this is like so natural. The thing is you don't look crazy. It's not like, oh, you didn't buff it up. Like, look at that. My nose is defined, but you can't see where it is. It's like a natural filter. Like, let's see if I tap it out. Okay, so I feel like both like swiping and tapping is good, like, to move the product. Like, it blends out so well. I definitely think I prefer tapping on the product because I feel like I get to see the product a little bit more. I feel like swiping it kind of just, you lose the product a little bit. Okay, so off camera, I'm gonna go in with some blush and see if you can see the definition of the bronzer even more, because that is typically what I would do with my day-to-day makeup. So let me go do that and come back on and see if you can see the definition. I just dusted on a little bit of blush and just put on a quick lip, and like, I definitely see it so much more. But it's so natural. Like, I literally, you guys saw, like, I didn't even put on foundation. I literally just have their 1980 brow, and then their bronze balm, and then a lip and some blush, and that's it. No foundation. Like, look how chiseled. Oh my god, imagine if I put it here. Should I put it here? Hold on, let me put it here. I never do that too. Like, I never put bronzer on my jaw. But now I'm curious. Oh my god, I just love how it just blends in with my skin. Like, this really is like a natural filter. Oh my god, that's sick. Oh, I don't even do that. And like, you can see, like, the product isn't like super light. Like, you can definitely see me actually applying it. Like, it's there. It's not like it's not there. Like, it's there. This is literally a natural filter. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my god. I love this. I genuinely really love this. I feel like I have a filter on. I literally feel like I have a filter on. You guys watch me put on a fake filter. I am so impressed right now. I had high hopes for these products, but I did not think that it was going to perform the way it did. I feel so pretty right now, and I'm not even really wearing makeup, and it's so skin-like. This is exactly what I reach for when I do my makeup. This is literally all I do. I just use bronzer, I use a brow gel and some blush, and I throw on a quick lip. That's literally it. As I'm seeing it set right now, it's not muddy. It was super easy to blend out. As far as the formula for the brow pomade, it was like mousse. I love that I didn't have to keep dipping in to the actual product to apply more. Like, one dip is enough for one brow. Like, I love that because it's also costly. I think that's also why I run through brow gel so much, is because I'm constantly having to dip in and add more product and add more product. As far as the bronze balm, I love how sheer it is. I love how buttery it is. I love how easily blendable it is. But also, let's not forget the bag that they gave you. Like, look how little these products are, and you have so much room to put other stuff. Like, what? look at all that empty space. I got these 2 products sent to me from Merit Beauty, and I can definitely tell you right now, I will definitely be ordering with my own money more products from Merit Beauty, because this is incredible. Very excited to see how my skin reacts. I don't even think it's gonna have a reaction. I literally don't even feel it. For a person like me that's working in a hot environment and also always on the go, and you know, always on camera, like it's performing very well on camera too. Like you guys can see it. I love this. I love it. I have nothing else to say. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. I highly recommend Merit Beauty after this video. This is incredible. This is super impressive, and I'm still in shock, honestly. I just feel so pretty. Like I feel like this is so pretty. This is exactly how, you know, makeup should make you feel, not like ugh. They actually gave me a link for you guys too, so I'll put that in the description box below if you guys want to check them out yourself. But that's it. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.